welcome to the channel Learn Russian in 5 minutes a day. I'm a professional native Russian teacher, helping people all over the world to master the Russian language. In today's lesson, we're going to find out how we can ask people about the countries of their origin in the Russian language, and how to use the genitive case with the names of countries. To begin with, let's learn the question "Where are you from?" in Russian. Откуда ты? In the Russian language, the pronoun you has two forms: ты, that is an informal way of addressing, and вы, polite or plural form. If you are addressing a group of people or want to show your respect, use the pronoun вы. Then the question will be Откуда вы? And now let's see how we can answer this question. We need to put the pronoun я for the first place, that is the subject of the sentence, followed by the preposition is. Я is. And finally, we need to put the name of the country we came from in the genitive case. So, let's see how we can conjugate the names of the countries according to the genitive case. As an example, I took three names of the countries: Россия, Испания, Япония. As you can see, most names of the countries have "ia" ending at the end. To put them into the genitive case, we just need to change this ending into double "e". Россия, России, Испания, Испании, Япония, Японии. And now let's see how the complete phrase will look like. Я из России. Я из Испании. Я из Японии. A small number of countries that don't have "ia" ending have their own forms in the genitive case. These are the countries: Китай, Китая, Канада, Канады, Аргентина, Аргентины, Мексика, Мексики. So remember these exceptions. So I hope it was a useful lesson for you. If so, please put like and subscribe, and watch the next video. До свидания.